Welcome back to the VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Jose Miguel Santelices, and I am here today to share a vocal tip for you that is going to take your singing to the next level. Whether you're a beginner just finding your voice or a seasoned performer, this tip is for you. Disclaimer time. All of the exercises and tips at VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel are meant to be performed under the supervision of a professional. If you're not taking voice lessons, make sure you find a voice teacher that you trust and work under their supervision. Whenever something hurts or doesn't feel right, stop it right away. Singing should never hurt. Never. And now, back to more vocal tips. Have you ever been asked, where are your lungs positioned? Most of us will point to our chest or even to our abdominal area. But what if I told you that there is more to it when it comes to singing? Today, we're tackling one of the most important and misunderstood topics in singing: breath support or apoyo. While the lungs may be in your chest, true breath support comes from the muscles below and adjacent to it. We're talking about the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. Learning to engage this properly is the key to stability and power in your singing. Here's a quick exercise to get you started. First, stand up and find a comfortable yet aligned posture. Then, close both of your hands and place them right below your lower ribs. From here, we will apply gentle but constant pressure towards our body, and then we're going to take a deep breath that is going to be very sharp and quick, like this. Do you see the expansion? Let's try it once again. This expansion is the beginning of breath support. This example will teach you how to breathe in, and it's the beginning to correct and proper breath support. To put it in simple terms, breath support, it's like the gasoline to your car. If you have a car, but your car tank is empty, you won't be able to drive anywhere. Likewise, if you want to sing properly and you don't have the breath support behind your voice, you're going to get tired very, very easily. Remember, breath is where the voice comes from. From there, we're able to make beautiful sounds, belt high notes in musical theater, sing amazing high notes or low notes in pop music, sing classically, or use your voice simply in an efficient and healthy way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. And if you would like to learn more about VOCES Academy of the Arts or enroll in voice lessons, check out the links in the description below. Let's embark on this artistic journey together, because here at VOCES, every voice matters.